Hey guys, this is how far that I got, and I ran out of fringes. This is just the front piece of the dress. I have not, I ran out, and this is, oh my God, 10. I got 10 the first time, and I got 5. So this is like 15 yards of this, and I got the back piece and I still ran out. So when making those dresses, it's a lot. It's a lot. And you can see the stones in between here, like the little peekaboo style. And this part is going to be peekaboo. And then I got to finish, curve it over. I got my chalk lines and finish putting the stones. But I ran out of supplies again, guys. So I got the back piece of it, and I'm working on it. So this is what it's looking like so far. Fringe dress. Bye-bye.